Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And as we all know that GBP USD has witnessed heavy selling pressure during the last couple of days, and traders were mostly long on GBP USD, or they have taken buy position. Okay, they were long on GBP USD, and sadly their capitals were wiped out, because when GBP USD witnessed this kind of heavy selling pressure in the last 2-3 days, then the whole market got a big shock. Okay, big shock, because mostly retail traders were long, because this is the forex sentiment meter here. Okay, and you'll find a forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. In the forex for sentiment meter, you can see that only 11% retail traders have taken short position, whereas 88% retail traders have taken long position, which means that 88% retail traders were thinking that market would be going up. They were thinking that GBP USD would be going up, but on the other hand, we saw a heavy selling on the GBP USD. As a result, their capitals are down by half, their capitals are wiped out. So this is the main reason I always request you guys that only trade with proper analysis and do not trade recklessly. Okay. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD. Let's try to find out what should be a strategy for GBP USD on Monday, because Monday will be a very crucial day. Monday will be extremely important for GBP USD. So let's try to find out. So this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if we look at the chart of GBP USD here, then there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend. Downtrend market means number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And if we look at the present trend of the GBP USD here, this is the present trend here, then we can see that there is sharp selling pressure on GBP USD right now, which clearly signifies that this market is under the dominance of sellers right now. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market, or the basic rule of the market, says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, if the market is going down, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see on the chart that GBP USD is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities, as this market is under the dominance of sellers. Okay, and as we all know that there was a weekly support here on the chart at 1.3755, and right now you can see that I do not have the previous line, because the weekly chart on the GBP USD is gone. See. So this is the weekly chart of GBP USD right now, and you can see that GBP USD has closed below the weekly support with a huge red candle, and in a scenario like this we cannot assume that market will be going up. Okay, if you look at a candle like this, so this kind of a bearish candle clearly tells us that market is seriously under the dominance of sellers right now, and market has also given a closing below the support level, which is also an indication that the previous support level is no longer valid. Therefore, weekly chart is also not good. So we are back to the 4-hour chart again. So we can see that again I have got two lines drawn here, and if you have watched my previous videos on GBP USD, then you can easily recognize this trend line. This trend line is acting as a very strong resistance for the market for quite some time. You can see that whenever market was trying to go up previously, it was facing resistance from above. Therefore, if you do not have drawn this line on a charting platform, then you must draw this line. Okay. But right now you can see that market is standing here, and as you can see that I have already drawn a line here and this is the new support for the market 1.3600. And my dear friends, I'll request you to draw this line on your charting platform so that you can also take the proper decision on Monday morning. See, you have understood this trend line, okay, clear. But right now this level is the most important level for the market. So when I zoom out the chart of GBP USD, then you can see that, okay, this level was previously, this level was a minor support for the market, okay, not a very strong one. And when market came down here, market took support again, and right now market is also trying to take support here. It was a very minor support for the market, but right now market is trying to build support here. Market is trying to take support at this particular level. So our eyes should be on this particular support here, because see, when a market faces selling pressure like this, then the picture is very confusing for us right now, because see, we do not have clarity whether market will be able to take support or not because of this selling pressure. But somehow market is trying to survive here. Okay, I'm using the word survive because you can see that selling pressure was extremely high, so market is trying to survive here. So on Monday your duty will be to observe the price and see whether price is able to um, hold this support level or not. Okay, because whenever we see selling pressure like this, whenever market witnesses this kind of heavy selling pressure, generally market fails to hold the support, and this level is also not a very strong one. The strong support was the weekly support level, which is gone right now. The weekly support level is gone. Therefore, on Monday, let the market open on Monday and see how the price reacts or where the price goes. In case if you see, listen to me carefully now, if you see the same selling pressure on Monday as well, then you can short the market below this level. Then you'll understand that 1.3600 is not a valid support. If market breaks the support, you can short the market below this level. Okay, if you see the same selling pressure from Friday, then only short the market below this level. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if you find market trying to bounce from here, okay, if you find market trying to bounce from here, then you can take a small position. Yes, my dear friends, I'm requesting you to take only a small position and follow proper risk management, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Okay, because this is the risk management. And most importantly, only take a small position, because see, whenever we face a scenario like this, whenever we see market facing this kind of selling pressure, then it is not a wise decision to go for buy. But still, you can go for some quick profit, or if you want to target some quick profit only. So if you want to if you are a beginner, if you do not know how to trade, if you're completely beginner right now, then you can avoid buying here. But if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for quite some time, then you can initiate a buy position at this particular level if market bounces. Okay, listen to me carefully. If market bounces from this particular level on Monday, on the other hand, if market breaks the level, you can go for shorting the market. So right now market is just standing here, so this is the only crucial level for the market. And my dear friends, recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities available on the market on regular basis. Okay, if you want to know further, then just go through the information and you can click on the subscribe button. So it is just below the forex sentiment meter here. Okay. So you have understood what you need to do. Let the market open on Monday, and if it bounces from here, you can initiate a small position. Do not go big, because selling pressure is extremely high on the market, and if you want to avoid also, you can avoid. Okay, and if market breaks the level or crosses this level, then you can short the market below this level if you see the same selling pressure is um, present on Monday morning as well. So this is the only trading opportunity in front of us right now at this point, because we have seen that the weekly chart, the support levels are gone. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. So all the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again.